Here at Buyer Kia, when you come in for service, you're not a customer, you're family. Hello, my name is Chris Pravat, Service Manager here at Buyer Kia in Falls Church, Virginia. Kia is a brand that has been expanding and has gone leaps and bounds over the past few years with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, inexpensive car repairs, and vehicles and models that are far superior than most other models themselves is why Kia puts themselves ahead of the rest. We take care of every single person with the white glove service every time they come in the door. Here at Buyer Kia, we make sure to hold a high standard for service, and we fix right the first time every vehicle. This is Buyer Automotive's 50th anniversary. We are super excited to have been in business this long. We started with one store here in Falls Church. Now we've expanded to multiple stores all over the DC metro area, and you definitely need to come on in and give us a try.